In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos onto YouTube from your phone. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's jump into it. So first, you want to open up the YouTube app and make sure you're logged into the correct channel. So you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll be able to see your channel icon. I'm currently logged in to KnowledgeBase, which is the correct channel. From here, you want to go to the plus icon, which is at the bottom in the middle, and then go ahead and click on that. Now, you're going to be able to upload a video, short, go live, or make a post. We want to click on video, which happens to be the first one. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and scroll down and find your video. So I'm going to find a video here. We'll just upload this video here. So this is a video that I want to upload to YouTube, but let's just pretend that it's a finished video. It's kind of like an apartment tour, which I'm going to edit and upload at a different date. But anyway, once you're happy with your video and you've got it selected, this must be a finished video, by the way. You can then click next, and it's then going to take you to this window where you can then add details. Now, the first thing that you want to add is your YouTube thumbnail. Now, if you don't have your thumbnail designed already, I recommend you just minimize this page, go into Canva, or go into any photo editor and create a thumbnail. If you don't create a thumbnail, then YouTube is just going to use a screenshot from your video. So if you're fine with that, then run with that. But if you want a custom one, you can click here and you can then upload a photo of a custom thumbnail. Just for an example, let's just pretend this here is the thumbnail that I want. It's not exactly a clear photo, but we're going to run with that as the YouTube thumbnail. Now, you also want to type in here an engaging and eye-catching title. So I'm going to write a title out now. So I've gone with, would you stay in this $30 per night condo in Thailand? Now, it's important to add a description as well, because your description is not only going to show as a preview, it's also going to give your viewers more information about what the video is. Now, when you're writing your description, just bear in mind the first 2 lines are going to show when people either search for a video or if they're just on their browse section. So you want to put some keywords in here or put some words which capture people's attention. Then once you've done that, select if it's made for kids or not. If you're not creating kids entertainment videos, then select no, it's not made for kids. You can also then change the visibility. You maybe want to make this private or unlisted first, so you can preview it and then you can publish it. Or if you just want to make it public straight away, click public. Additionally, you can go ahead and click on schedule and schedule it for a time to go live. I'm just going to go ahead and click public. Then once you go back, you can add this to a playlist. You can allow the video to be remixed through YouTube Shorts. And once you're happy with all of that, you just want to click on the upload button, and that video is then going to get uploaded to your channel. Again, make sure you've got everything filled out here, and I would strongly recommend you upload a custom thumbnail. So that's how you can upload a video on YouTube from your phone. I hope that did help you out.